In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add collaborators in Shopify. When you add a collaborator to your Shopify store, you are typically giving a partner, developer, or contractor access to specific areas of your admin so they can do work for you. The safest way to do this is by using roles and permissions, so each person only gets access to what they truly need. To begin, log into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Settings. Inside Settings, click Users. This is the area where you manage access for anyone who can work inside the store. Once you are on the Users page, scroll down until you find the section for Roles. Roles are essentially permission presets. Instead of manually choosing permissions every time you add someone, you can create a role once, then reuse it later. This is also helpful for keeping access consistent across multiple collaborators. In the Roles section, click Add Role. You will see fields where you can enter a name and a description. For the name, choose something that clearly matches the type of access you are creating. The description is where you can add a quick note about what this role is for, such as the type of tasks the collaborator will handle. Clear naming and descriptions make it easier to stay organized as your team grows. Next, select the permissions you want to grant. Take your time here, because permissions control what a collaborator can view or change in your store. Only enable what is necessary for the work being done. For example, if someone is only editing theme code, they may not need access to orders or financial settings. Keeping permissions limited helps protect your store data and reduces the chance of accidental changes in sensitive areas. After you have reviewed the permissions and you are confident they match the access level you want to provide, click Save. Your new role is now created and ready to be used when assigning access for collaborators and other users. That covers everything you need to know.